Sustainable, traceable, American cotton. Verified every step of the way, from seed to shirt. Because today's purpose-driven consumers want to know more. More about what we produce, and more than ever, how we produce it. It all began with the sustainable production of Dynagrow cotton at Heath Farms in Soperton, Georgia. And once the bales were ready for pickup, the Nutrien Ag Solutions ginning facility in Statesboro, Georgia, took over and ginned the cotton. Next, Hill Spinning in Thomasville, North Carolina, spun the cotton into yarn. And a little over 100 miles down the road, Contempora Fabrics knitted the yarn into fabric. Then, the knitted fabric was sent to Eagle Sportswear in Middlesex, North Carolina, to be cut, sewn, and trimmed. And finally, the Normal brand in St. Louis, Missouri, conducted quality assurance and stamped their final approval on their proprietary hoodie product to complete the common thread.
You know, we never see an end result, but now with this right here, we'll be able to see what it's used for.
Common Thread is an example of how Nutrien Ag Solutions and their proprietary sustainability platform, Agrible, helps growers improve their operation, generate new revenue streams from sustainability and traceability programs, and ensure long-term success for future generations. And like that Georgia cotton now weaved into the shirt on your back, all those involved are forever connected through one common thread.